I said there's more bass in these creeks than we think. Boom! It's number 5 in the boat. I threw a crankbait for hours yesterday without getting a bite. They didn't want the spinnerbait this morning, made the adjustment. Yes!
Bro,
that's a paycheck.
That's a, might be more than a paycheck. You got it?
All right, guys, little redfish in here. Stop 2 of the Hoosier Division, MLF, BFL. We're at Rocky Point, Ohio River. Check out this cool setup I got going on here. There's the new truck. Extension cord running from the truck. Charging up the batteries. That's pretty cool. Anyways, we're camping out here tonight. Tournament's in the morning. It's gonna be go time. I'm on a decent little spinnerbait bite, and I think it's gonna be pretty tough. But I'm pretty optimistic, so I'm gonna bring you guys along, see what happens. About to get some spinnerbaits retied up, a couple flipping sticks. We're just gonna have 4, maybe 5 rods on the deck tomorrow, so that's kind of cool. But stay tuned. Next time you see me, be B-roll tournament footage in the morning. $36. Yes.
Alright, I see you.
Thank you.
Will that kill some for me? Or 35. Got it. Or 36.
Got him.
Oh, shit. Nice. That's probably him.
He was out in the middle of this.
No, I mean, I'm not saying anything bad at all. I just think he was doing stuff in here. That's a good one. I'm gonna say you just kept your second place in points with that second fish. Good job. Don't take much down here, does it? Oh, he's 12 right now.
Oh yeah. I forgot. I'm filming. We got 3 in the boat. But There's more bass in these creeks than we think. Boom!
Not cute. Holy shit.
I said there's more bass in these creeks than we think.
Nope. He came off. Or he's little as shit. Oh. He's not even keeping. He might be.
And now I got them all tangled in the net for you. I told you
He-
they like that crankbait.
He hit it like
I
weird.
seen your line going to the side. Bite a crankbait. What the fuck is that? Good one. Real good one.
Bro,
That's a paycheck.
that's a might be more than a paycheck. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
That's a good paycheck.
It's number 5 in the boat. I threw a crankbait for hours yesterday without getting a bite. They didn't want the spinnerbait this morning, made the adjustment.
What do they do? What's their jobs, do you know?
Oh, that was her one brother, Nicholas, is in pilot school for the
Okay.
Army, and that's taken forever. And her other brother's infantryman. Got him that time. Nice, tall.
Yeah, it's definitely a call. Control. Do you know what number?
All right, guys, we're heading to weigh in right now. We got 5. I think we'll be close to 9 pounds. Hopefully it's really tough for everybody. See what happens. Stay tuned.
James Whitaker from Cincinnati, Ohio. Come in second place on the boater side of Patoka, 5 bass limit. Good job on that at 9 pound 4 ounce. Solid second place right now, James. Good job, dude.
All right, guys, there's the hardware. We're making a habit out of it. Bringing home trophies is a good thing. 3rd place, Rocky Point, Hoosier Division Tournament number 2, sitting in 1st for AOI. This is a really tough day for a lot of people. There was 9 limits brought in. And I'm not going to sit here and act like I whacked them all day. I had 6 keepers all day. I made 1 key call that I think got me 3rd instead of 4th. I went into the tournament thinking I was going to catch him on a spinnerbait. I had a pretty decent spinnerbait bite. They didn't touch it on tournament day. Had to make an adjustment on this little wooden crankbait. I don't even know what brand. I know it's old. I know they don't make them anymore. Side note on that, if anybody knows anybody who repairs old wooden crankbaits, I have some that are pretty beat up that could use some repair. I spent 1 full practice day in Deer Creek and I did really well. And then the water came up, they raised it, or they didn't raise it, it rained a lot. I thought the tournament was going to get canceled, and it did not. And I squeaked out 1 more 3-quarter practice day on the Friday before. I stayed in Millstone that whole day, and that's where I found the fish, and they were in the complete backs. My co-angler said normally you can't get back as far as what I was, so shout out to my nice express boat. That is a 21-foot boat that will go 12 inches or shallower. I heard rumors that the 1st and 2nd place guy were in flat bottom boats. I know it's true for the 1st place guy. Shout out to the Express for getting me where I need to be. Getting shallow. All my fish were caught on about a 50-yard stretch of bank. I hit it about 4 different times throughout the day. My 2nd and 3rd spots were just not hitting, and anything in the main creek area, bites were very, very few and far between. I didn't get any. Those creeks were covered, 103 or 5 boats fishing mainly out of 2 creeks. Those creeks get really crowded. You start splitting up fish. If you can get farther back than anybody where nobody else can go, it can really separate you from the crowd. And I think that's what got me 3rd place. We're going into the June tournament out of Tanner's Creek. That's my home body of water, so I'm really optimistic. Not only that I can do well, that I cannot screw up this good run that I have going. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.